The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 95. So just behind me there is a little bit of space. Between two cruisers, and that is normally the home of the swamp duck. It's not there at the moment because it's currently at Syston on the River Soar, and it's there because it's having its engine serviced and it's out of the water and it's going to be painted underneath with the anti-fouling. It took us about 8 days journey time to get it there. We dropped it off yesterday, so not going to be around for a little while. I'm awaiting a phone call from the boatyard in a little while to say come and fetch it, and then we have to do the whole journey all over again. We may go the southwest route, which would complete the whole of the Leicester Ring, or we can go back the way that we came, which is to come through Fradley Junction, Fazeley Junction, and that way. So it's just in the lap of the gods at the moment, waiting to see when I can go and pick the swamp duck up. It took, as I say, it took 8 days to get there, and that will be the subject of my next video, and that will be published on Saturday the 14th of September 2024 at 8 AM. It has taken me a little bit longer to get that out because I was hoping to have it published today, but the upload speed around the River Soar, it just was taking forever to get anything uploaded to the internet, so I really had to leave that and do it later on. So I say that video will come out on Saturday the 14th of September 2024 at 8 AM. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. It's completely free, and it's a great encouragement to us to keep making these videos. If you've enjoyed my videos, then please give us a thumbs up, as that helps to move the video up the YouTube algorithm and more people are getting to know about the channel. So I'd like to thank all of you who have subscribed or supported the channel in any way. Thank you very much for that, and as always, do take care.